Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to download TikTok video without Watermark. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. The very first thing you should do is to simply launch your TikTok application. Now you have to look or find for that video that you wanted to download. For example, this one. I wanted to download this. I just have to tap the share icon and then click copy link. Now, once you tap this copy link, you can now exit your TikTok application. As you can see, link copied. Now you have to go to any web browser, but this time I will be using Google web browser. Tap this one, and then kindly go to the site snaptic.app. Okay, so you can type snaptic.app. Okay, tap this one. Now it's just a very easy thing to do. All you have to do is to paste it right here. Okay, the link that you have copied earlier, and then you have to click download. Now once you tap download, there are ads showing, but you just have to skip that one and then go to this download, the second button here. Okay, so you have to tap download, and then it will automatically download your video. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, minutes. It depends on your internet. So as you can see, file downloaded, tap open. And let me show you that the video now has no watermark. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, how are you going to find this video, or how are you going to transfer this video to a specific file? So you can now exit this video now and kind of go to your file manager or file folder. And then you just have to look for downloads. Okay, so tap the folder first and then go to downloads, and you will see there the video that you have downloaded from Snaptic that up. Now, how are you going to transfer this one or to move this one? You just have to long press the video and then click the three dots at the top right corner and then click move to. Now choose that specific folder, and then once you found that, all you have to do is to click move, then it will transfer the video from downloads to that specific folder. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.